My commander, I'm so sorry. We lost the war. I failed to win the war for you. Kahit na hindi na kailangan, immaterial na yan, kung pipirma ako hindi, but still, narinig nila na I was poised to join the minority. I was really contemplating seriously to join the minority after that incident. But I was persuaded by Senator Chis and Senator Alan Cayetano na please stay with the majority. Huwag kang pumunta sa minority. So, sumama ka na lang dito sa majority. And ang mas mabigat na rason dyan talaga is that among us three magkabats na PDP senators, Senator Bungo, Senator Tolentino, and myself, we forged a covenant na majority wins. In every voting situation, talagang kung lalabas sa voting is 2 against 1, obligado yung 1 sumunod doon sa 2, sumama sa 2. So, in this case, nangyari sa silang dalawa talaga ay nag-decide na sumuporta kay Senator Jesus Escudero. Ako ay naiwan. I want to stay with ayaw ko sana. Pero yun nga, may usapan kami na obligado sumama. So, yun. Pinirmahan ko yung resolution, but that was already immaterial because they already have 14, they have already declared victory. But at least on my part, masaya rin ako kahit because Senator Chis is a very magnanimous victor. Kahit alam niya hindi na kailangan yung boto ko, still, kinubinsi pa rin niya ako na sumama sa majority. Well, kasi yung nakapirma ako before mag-start ang session. Di ba? Pumasok ako doon. Tapos ngayon, nung sinaluduhan ako ni Migs, talagang hindi ko napigilan, napaiyak ako dahil for me, being a good soldier, ang gusto kong sabihin kay Migs doon is, sorry boss, I failed to win the war for you. Because I am one of his trusted lieutenants. Ang kanyang mission sa akin is talagang i-secure yung aking partido, yung PDP na patuloy na magsuporta sa kanya. But still, as I have said, meron kaming usapan, kaming tatlo, Senator Bungo, Senator Tolentino, na majority rules. Lalabas 3 against 1, obligado sasama yung 1 doon sa decision. So, at hindi ko, yung bang, as I've said, pero feeling ko, I'm being a good soldier. I would like to convey the message to him that, my commander, I'm so sorry. We lost the war. I failed to win the war for you.